Alrighty, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So, excuse me, I'm at the hotel right now. I work today. Basically, what I'm about to do is make me some food with my taco. I cannot say the right name, but I'll get it someday. A taquiko little machine. And I got my little food bag. And I'm about to show you guys what's in my bag and what I packed. And yeah, let's see what happened. Let's go. Here's my little travel pro little bag. Like I said, it's small, it's not big. And so basically what I have in here, let's see, let's open. So I like to pack almonds, and then I mix it up with M&M's. That's just like a little snack that I have on the plane. I got some tuna in here, and basically I got my little matcha tea in there, latte tea, and then your girl got, what else in here? Y'all, I got a pack of gravy because I'm greedy like that. But anyways, got some bread. A little smashed up, but it's okay. A bag of chips, my little bowls, spoon and fork, the bowls, some vegetables. Y'all, I'm not gonna even lie. Last night I did not pack my food, so usually what I do is I defrost it just a little bit so that I can, you know, cut it up and, you know, put it into like my little baggie so that way, you know, I can pretty much measure it out and all. But I didn't do it last night. I did like at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I had to leave by like 4 o'clock in the morning, so I wasn't able to put it back in the freezer really. So it's kind of defrosted, but even though it's not good to do, I'm putting this back in the freezer because I got a whole nother 2 days and I need my food frozen. But anyways, what I got here is I got some, what is this? This is like some short ribs and some red flanks with some garlic in here, seasoned already. I got some chicken drumsticks in here seasoned. Some mashed potatoes, some stuff to make sandwiches with some cheese, because I have my little bread over there too. I got some of these, y'all, these Rice Krispie Treats, these strawberry ones, I really like these. These are really good. So, got those. I got some noodles here, pasta sides, butter flavor. I got some hot sauce, sriracha honey for the little bit of spice. Y'all, I got a New York steak here with some onions. Everything seasoned with some onions. And your girl got some rice. Now, I may not eat all this. I'm sure I won't, but this is pretty much all I brought. I didn't bring no breakfast or anything, so I'll probably just make a meal and then eat it throughout the day. It lasts me. Then I got my little containers where I got some mayo. Actually, this is, what is this? I got some oil. This is mayo. And this is actually butter because I like to put butter in my rice. Or for my steak. Either one. But anyways, y'all, you see all that I got in here. And then look over here, I got little condiments and stuff I'll be taking, you know, from places. Whatever I need, I'll take from the little restaurants and I use it later. I do got some oatmeal there, but I'm not really an oatmeal fan. That's just for emergencies, just in case I run out of food or, you know, at some point don't have anything. Some little bars in here, granola bars. But yeah, that's that, y'all. I packs it up. So why it look like I went grocery shopping, huh? Anyways, y'all, so I'm gonna be putting this in the freezer or the refrigerator here at the hotel. But I'm about to cook me up a meal. What I want to try to do is I'm about to actually try to take this steak. I've never done this before because this is a steamer more so, not a fryer. I don't think it is. But I'm about to try to see if I can fry my steak. And if I can't fry my steak, with a little bit of oil, then that's fine. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna end up steaming it. So let's see, about to get that prepared and see how that turns out. All right, y'all, so I literally just put water in the bottom like I told y'all how it goes, and then basically put oil into this pan a little bit, and then put my steak in here. So we about to see what happens. Put some little onions in there, but we see what happens. If it doesn't cook right, then like I said, I'm just gonna steam it with the oil at the bottom and see if it can get a little crisp that way. Matter of fact, what I end up probably doing is putting the top on so it can get hot, and then opening it, and that's what I'm gonna do. Let it get hot this way, then open it and see if it can get a little crisp to it. But yeah, that's what we about to do. And I'll be back with an update. If this don't work, y'all know I got another device on the way, because you know your girl like a little crispy to her stuff sometimes. We'll see what happens. All right, y'all, so this is how it's looking. So what I decided to do is I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cook it completely with the lid on, just because like I don't want to get sick trying to cook something at a temperature probably that it ain't gonna cook correctly. So we're gonna go ahead and cook this the way it's supposed to be cooked, or use this thing the way it should be used. Now, typically what you can do is you can actually make some rice on top at the same time, but I'm making mashed potatoes, and I can make my mashed potatoes also, but instead what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some vegetables. I'll just put a little bit of vegetables in here, season it a little bit with my little curry seasoning, and then I'm put a little bit of pepper too. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on. And I'm gonna go ahead and make my mashed potatoes with this device I got here. Just boil some water and then make some mashed potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and check on it. Ooh, steamy, steamy. There it goes. Let it cook some more. Actually, y'all, I just tasted it and it actually tastes really good, and it's done. It's a little foggy. And it's done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add some gravy to it. I'm going to add a little bit more water to it too, just so I can have like some more juice for my mashed potatoes. So I added a little bit more water, and then I added my gravy packet. I'm gonna see how it comes out, and put my vegetables back on there. And we're gonna let it cook. So my water is boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in my bowl. And then I'm gonna pour me some mashed potatoes in there. Use some of my butter. I seasoned it and put some butter in here. I would make it in there, but I don't want to get my little kettle nasty, so I'd rather just make it in a bowl. It seems like it'd be easier to clean.